Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to log out TikTok from other devices. Like your account is logged into multiple devices and you want to remove all the devices that you didn't use. So you have to do is simply comes in your profile and then click on three lines on the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. It will comes in this section. You have to simply do is click on security and permission, and then you will see a bunch of options over here. You will see the second option called device manager or manage device. Click on that and then you will pop ups in the device managing system. As you can see over here, you have to simply do is click on that this pin icon beside the device. You will see over here, you can see remove this phone from your account. So as you can see, when you click on that, this phone is removed. So that's it. That's how you can do it. You can as well do with all of them to delete them, all of them. So you can do simply is that, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.